Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Special welcome back to you subscribers, but you new viewers, you know you should be subscribers too. Today we're doing a cool dish. It's going to take some sausage and some spinach and some pasta. We're going to throw it all in a pan and a cheesy cream sauce. Let's get right on to it. I got a tablespoon of olive oil in my pan. I've got my heat set at about 4.5, not quite right at medium. And I have 2 sausage links that I've quartered. I quartered these because I have little kids. You don't have to quarter them. You can do a straight slice, or you can half them and slice them. We're going to cook this till they brown, so about 5 to 7 minutes. Again, I'm just shy of medium heat. Sausage has been browning for about 5 minutes. You can go 5 to up to 7. You can see that it's just starting to lightly get some color to it, so that's fine. I've got some chopped onion. I'm going to say 1 cup, but you could do, you know, a little more, a little less, depending on the taste. But that's about 1 cup. And we're going to saute this. So we're using the fat from the oil and whatever came off the sausage to render this onion down. So that's going to take another 5 to 7. So we'll be back once this kind of rendered down and starting to get transition. It's been about 7 minutes in total. And at this point, I'm going to give it a touch of seasoning. My touch of seasoning is just some sea salt. Just a pinch. And a pinch of black pepper. Okay, you can season that as much as you like and season throughout the course of the cooking process. This here, diced, and they're with green chilies. These happen to be Hatch and they're mild. 1 can, add that right in, and that is 14.5 ounces. 2 cups of chicken stock or chicken broth, whichever you have on hand. Chicken stock is going to give you a little richer flavor. And 1/2 cup of heavy cream. And we're going to cook this for a couple minutes, scraping the bottom to make sure we get all the yums up, and then we'll come back. We've let this cook actually for about 13-14 minutes, just to make sure that the pasta is good and softened, and you can see that that sauce is really starting to thicken up now. I did stir about 2 or 3 times in between, and to be clear, I left it on the medium-high heat, which was between a 4 and a 5, brought it up to a boil. As soon as I saw it boiled, put the lid back on and turned it down to, it's sitting at about a 2 right now, but you can go as low as you need as long as you're still getting the simmer. I'm going to put a little bit in. Again, this is about 3 cups of baby spinach. Give this a stir, let it get wilted up, and then when that wilts, I'll add in the next cup. Do this until we get all 3 cups in there. As you can see, the spinach has now wilted down and still got a nice bright color to it. This is Monterey Jack cheese, 1 cup. If you don't have Monterey Jack, feel free to use cheddar or whatever other cheese you so choose. Provolone maybe would work. Something with a little sharper flavor usually sounds a little good. Just give this a quick spin and we're ready to serve it up. As soon as this melts, 20 seconds or so. All right, let's serve some up. So scoop here. A little bit more of that delicious spinach. To that, you're pretty much ready to serve. You know, a nice hit of fresh herbs would be good. If you want a little something extra to it, or just a quick sprinkle of some Parmesan cheese, and that's all there is to it. It's an easy 1 pot, 1 pan meal. In this case, it's a skillet. But you know the drill. Give it a shot. Let me know what substitutions or alterations you make. We used a turkey sausage this time, but use whatever kind of sausage you like. And just give it a go. Otherwise, you know the drill. Subscribe, share, like. Comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't, and check back for the next video. As always, take care.